Good morning, Cagayan de Oro. It's August 27, 2025. Happy Fiesta. Okay, let's start with the weather. Weather is cloudy, heavily cloudy, with probably some rain later. For the traffic here at Uptown from Xavier Estates Gate 4, and so far right now I am traversing the highway fronting Corpus Christi and the traffic is still clear, and it's still 6:18 a.m. so it's a bit early, and I think both schools like Corpus and Xavier have no class today. That's why the traffic or the road is somewhat clear. Right now I think the city will be having a civic parade, so let's see the traffic condition downtown. On my way downtown, we're still at SM Uptown, and yes, the road is still clear both ways because there's no class. Let's see what's the condition at Price Plaza towards the Rodolfo Circle later. Here at Price Plaza, this is a regular traffic bottleneck on a daily basis, especially on peak hours. It is clear. The road is clear, less vehicle, less volume. As you can see, this is I am moving quite fast compared to the usual day. It is August 27, and it is the eve of Saint Augustine, the feast of Saint Augustine, and it is city fiesta. So far I haven't encountered any traffic